What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel tonight. If you don't know me, my name is Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Today we're doing a little vlog on the way to Athens. The weather's pretty good, not too cold tonight, so me and the boys are going downtown to walk around, maybe go to a music store or something. See what they got going on down there. Last time we went, it was super dead because it was Halloween, but this time we'll see what's going on down there. But yeah, not too late out. It's only like 7:30 or something. But you know, freaking daylight savings time feels like it's 9 o'clock. Freaking stupid. But I digress. But yeah, we're just chilling tonight, not doing anything crazy, no car shows or nothing. Just enjoying the freaking nice weather while we can, because it's probably gonna start raining and getting cold and all that crap soon. So, yeah, buddy. I saw a freaking like pack of cool cars up here. 2 Mustangs and a Supra, I think, maybe a Camaro. Trying to catch up with them low key. But we'll see. Yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that crap. Woo-hoo-hoo. Sick.
Thank you. If you're not busy, we're going to the Loud Culture meet.
Where's it at?
If you turn right at this light, it's like 2 miles down.
Alright, I'm heading to downtown Athens right now. So,
Well,
yeah.
that meets every week, so look us up. Loud Culture on Instagram.
Alright, bet. I got you, bro. Loud Culture. I'm gonna look them up on Instagram when I get to where I'm going. Haha. That's freaking sick, bro. Supra with slicks on it and a clean GR Yaris. That is freaking awesome. I wish you could have stuck around and did some freaking pools or something, but that's alright. Haha. That's awesome. Anyways, I'll definitely look them up. They said every week they got them, so maybe I'll head to one of those one day. I'm guessing they're on Thursdays, or Fridays, I mean, since this is Friday. See if downtown's a little more poppin' more than it was last time. see. I think I see more people. I think I need to turn right up here. Yeah. Bro, that freaking Supra was sick. Can't get over that. He had like a freaking tune on that thing. Awesome. Goes down to one lane first. Freaking got a new haircut and I didn't realize how much it affects like how my helmet feels on my head, bro. It doesn't like slide over my ears anymore. It gets stuck on my ears. Frick. That's all right. Not bad. Gotta turn right up here. Bro, stop freaking dying. Jeez. Hate that crap. Traffic. Oh, I smell food. Go. Whoop. My bad. That's all right. Downtown now. Woohoo! Ooh, I saw a little dual sport down there. Bro, that's funny. Last time I was here, that said Trump forever. Now it says heart forever. Freaking funny. Yeah, we're popping off a lot more now. Boing, boing, boing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Target. Alright, let's see where to go. Heck no, I ain't paying for parking. Go, 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 go. The frick are you doing? It says yield, bruh. take my parking spot. Don't take my parking spot. Yeah. Bro wants to race real quick. I see you, bruh. Freaking sick GTO. Hey, a little foggy though. Shit. Pretty fast there, boy. 130, yeah! Anyways, see y'all later.